If small business reputation crumbles online, you're losing 30% of customers in 48 hours, and here's how to stop it. Here's the problem. One fake review costs you $3,200 in lost revenue. Claim your Google business profile today. 67% of small businesses never do this. Set up review alerts within 24 hours so you respond before damage spreads. Right now in 2026, 92% of customers read online reviews before they buy. A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 48 hours, your bookings drop 30%. Your phone stops ringing. New customers pick the shop across the street. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla. To handle fake reviews, negative press, and reputation attacks before they kill your business. Small businesses lose an average of $3,200 per negative review left unanswered for 7 days. Most people fail here. They try to respond emotionally or ignore the review completely. Google's algorithm sees silence as confirmation. Within 14 days, that review becomes permanent in search results. With ReputationZilla, we file policy violation disputes within 4 hours. We know the exact wording Google accepts, and we follow up until removal confirms. Step 1. Respond publicly within 6 hours. Use this exact structure. Acknowledge the concern, offer to resolve offline, include your direct contact. 78% of customers trust a business more when they see a professional response. ReputationZilla automates this for you across Google, Yelp, TripAdvisor, and Facebook, so you never miss a review window. Step 2. Dispute policy violations immediately. This is important. Google removes reviews that violate guidelines, conflict of interest, fake accounts, spam, but only if you cite the right policy section. ReputationZilla handles the dispute for you. We file the policy violation report and follow up every 3 days until it's removed. DIY attempts succeed 23% of the time. Professional disputes succeed 87% of the time. Here's the problem. Before you apply these steps, your reputation looks like this. Negative reviews on page 1, no response strategy, customers scrolling past your business. After you apply step 1 and 2, your reputation looks like this. Professional responses on every review, policy violations removed within 14 days, new customers see 4.6 stars instead of 3.2 stars. Here's the exact wording to use when you respond to a negative review. Copy this template word for word. Thank you for your feedback. We take every customer concern seriously. I'd like to understand what happened and make this right. Please contact me directly at your email, so we can resolve this offline. We're committed to improving. Then in your dispute form, use this line. This review violates Google's conflict of interest policy. The reviewer is a competitor as evidenced by identical language in reviews they left for competing businesses in our zip code. That's the line that gets Google's attention. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. Use this exact phrase. By Friday, I will know if online reputation management for small business moved my one number. Respond to every review within 6 hours professionally. Dispute policy violations using exact Google wording. Stop wasting weeks. ReputationZilla handles it end to end. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete reputation management guide. Visit ReputationZilla.org.